peace, love, and high vibrations, family. So look, since they don't allow me to go live like that no more, I'm gonna give it to y'all, this info, the best way I can. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try to, I'm trying, but these stuff is so deep, it's like hard for me to give y'all small little tricklets of this information, like 5 little 10-minute videos, you know what I'm saying? But either way, we ain't gonna complain. We gonna get this info out regardless, right? So a lot of my elders have been suffering from high blood pressure, right? And a lot of y'all be hitting me up about these type of things, about these high blood pressure problems and all of that. Yeah, so I'm gonna give y'all a little side gem, you know what I'm saying, and maybe this will be able to help you a little bit, or some of you a lot of bits, to see, depending on where you are on your healing journey or your level of knowledge when it comes on to botanicals, biochemistry, and just the overall nature of knowledge of self with when it comes on to how you deal with nature and plants and all of that and fruits and all of that, right? So when you talk about high blood pressure, you must understand two things: calcium, magnesium, right? Calcium and magnesium works together like they team. You feel me? They're supposed to work together. If one is there and the other is not, there's an off balance. Now let's see what's causing the off balance when it comes on to high blood pressure, right? So in high blood pressure, you talk about calcium, which is supposed to constrict the blood vessel. Then you got magnesium on the opposite hand, which dilates or opens up the blood vessel. So calcium constricts, makes it smaller. Magnesium dilates or makes it wider. So yeah, calcium constricts the blood vessel, magnesium opens it. So if there's no magnesium in the body, that means only thing is going on is compression, is constriction. So now it's only constricting, which is closing up and getting tighter and tighter, but there's no magnesium to open it back up. Now the blood that's supposed to be traveling through begins to get squeezed along the cell wall. As that shit gets squeezed along the cell wall, that's what builds up that pressure in the blood. So it makes it pressurized. So now you need that magnesium to reopen those blood vessels, so that nutrient-rich blood can flow through with ease. Or if it's not flowing through with ease, you're gonna have dis-ease, or what the humans call disease. You feel me? As blood travels through, it's gonna bring all the nutrients. It's gonna bring plasma, which is lightning or electricity. You know what I'm saying, to each of them cells, so them cells can eat and digest those different nutrients in different forms, carry out their functions, blah 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 blah. Right? Now, when the body is magnesium deficient, which a lot of us on the American continent are very magnesium deficient. See what I'm saying? When your style or your lifestyle or you live it or your diet is magnesium deficient, you begin to experience over time what the humans call or the doctors call high blood pressure. So to bring high blood pressure back to a balance, or to simply fix this high blood pressure issue, you have to first understand that you're lacking magnesium. So now you're gonna focus on the plants, the plant kingdom, which are the greens. That's where you're gonna find all your your copper, your magnesium, your zinc. You know what I mean? All those types of minerals that you actually naturally need is gonna be found in your greens. So high blood pressure is really a lack of magnesium in your diet. So if you increase magnesium within your living or your lifestyle or your diet, whichever one you call it, I really don't like to say the word diet, because the word diet is in past tense. You have the word die in it. So it's like you're living just to die. You know what I'm saying? D-I-E. You know what I'm saying? And T on it to make past tense. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not with the word diet. I'm really about living. To live backwards is evil. That's why if you look at the word live, L-I-V-E, when you flip it backwards, it becomes evil, because to live backwards is to be evil. And to be evil backwards is to live. You know what I'm saying? So you got to understand. You got to eat life. You got to eat nature. You feel me? So yeah, you got to find them foods, natural foods, not these man-made foods. I'm not talking about capsules, pills, tablets. I'm not talking about they so-called man-made vitamins that you got to buy over the counter shelves. No. I'm talking about actually raw foods that naturally have these magnesiums inside of it. And you also got to realize a lot of the other things that you're on are magnesium inhibitors. These things prevent you from actually having, when the magnesium is inside your body, they prevent your body from actually releasing those magnesium to be accepted by the body, so it can actually do what it's supposed to do. So you got to get back to a natural diet, so that way you're not on these magnesium inhibitors, these blockers and all that, genetic blockers and all that, so you can flow. So again, high blood pressure is really broken down into being a lack of magnesium inside your diet or your living. So go ahead, increase that magnesium, and over 90 days, you'll watch and see that high blood pressure problem will be solved. Ashe, peace to my elders.